Hello everyone, welcome back to Mango & Coast Patterns, your destination to all things swimwear. My name is Marcy and I'll be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to make amazing swimsuits. In today's video, we are sewing the Mallorca pattern. This style is a high-rise bikini bottom with a playful lettuce edge. The coverage at the back is a Brazilian thong, perfect for tanning. Here are the supplies you will need to sew this pattern. If you don't have a serger, that's okay. A regular sewing machine and a zigzag stitch will do. If you need swimwear fabric and elastic, I got you covered. Check out my online shop at the link down below. Now, let's get started. This tutorial is quick, it's easy, and it's going to look amazing. Let's dive in. For this tutorial, we're using braided elastic for its optimal stretch and rebound. Please avoid types that overstretch or lack tension. Cut the elastic pieces and mark the notches with a magic erase pen. Mark the notches on the wrong side of the front and back pieces. Serge the following areas of the lining. Place the back piece over the front piece, right sides facing each other. Place the lining right side facing down onto the back piece. Trim off the following areas. Insert the elastic pieces under the lining like so. Use a basted stitch to keep all layers into place. Serge across the gussets and serge the side seams. Serge the side seams. Tack the elastics into the front gusset. Now it's time to sew the lettuce edge around the waist and leg holes. To achieve a proper lettuce edge, you'll need to set up your serger as follows. Remove the left needle on your serger. Then proceed to open up the serger and remove the stitch finger. Next, you will set the differential feed. Set the differential feed at 0.7. Then, set your stitch length to 2. Set the knife position at 6. Set the tension to 428. This technique takes some practice to master. Be sure to test it out on a scrap piece of fabric first, before sewing the lettuce edge onto your final garment. After a few practice runs, you'll build the muscle memory needed to create a clean, consistent finish. This result most likely means your stitch length is too long, the differential feed is too high, or the looper tension needs adjusting. To get that perfect tight lettuce edge on the hem of your bikini bottoms, follow these steps carefully. The goal is a crisp, wavy finish. There are 3 steps to achieving a lettuce edge. Number 1, place your garment right side facing up. Number 2, as you feed the fabric into the serger, press down gently with your index finger to prevent the fabric from curling under or shifting. Number 3, with your other hand, gently stretch the fabric at the bottom as you sew. This tension is key to forming that signature wavy edge. Number 4, make sure the knife trims off about 1/8 of fabric as you sew. This is how you will achieve a lettuce edge. Next step, on your regular sewing machine, you will sew the elastic onto the leg holes with a zigzag stitch. Sew the elastic 14 millimeters from the lettuce edge. I am using a magnetic seam guide and placing it 14 millimeters from the needle. Start by sewing the front crotch. Stretch the lining slightly to match the notches on the elastic and the garment. Sew the front crotch with a zigzag stitch. The notches need to align. Stretch the elastic to match the corresponding notches. While sewing, maintain your stitch line along the center of the elastic. Proceed to sew until you reach the back crotch. Sew the other leg hole from back crotch to front crotch. Align all the front notches and sew onto the lining. Overlap the waist elastic and tack it into place. Start sewing at the side seam. Stretch the elastic as you sew and match the corresponding notches. Align center back notch to center back and center front notch to center front. And now the Mallorca bikini bottom is now complete. This is how it looks like. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What swimwear pattern would you like to see next? Comment down below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest sewing adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy sewing!